Hi, family and friends. It has been a while. I have not put any videos up. Life happens, and you can hear my kids in the back. I can never find the right time when the house is very quiet and I'm not at work to do a video. So I decided to start again doing videos regardless of what's going on, regardless if my kids are in the background talking, because if I wait for everything to be perfect, I realize that I am not going to put out the information that I need to put out there for the people that needs it. So here we go. This and the information that I want to share with you today is help for homeowners. Finally, they got to it. They have been working on it since June. They passed the law. They've been trying to see how they can put something together for homeowners, just like they put assistance 45.46 billion of dollars for rental assistance. Now is the turn of homeowners who were stranded by COVID, who were lost their jobs or had reduced hours and couldn't keep up with their mortgages. Now is your turn. So I am very excited to tell you that at least in New Jersey, the portal is now open for you to apply for financial help. If you have mortgage problems, you are behind on your mortgage payment, or you owe back taxes, it is now time where you can apply for government assistance to help you. I am going to share my screen with you so I can go directly to the website, to the New Jersey website, where they are showing you the information. And if you are in a different state, you want to check with your state and see if their portal is open so you can start applying for help as well. So the New Jersey Housing and Mortgage Finance Agency, I did not even know such agency existed. They came together. Like I said, they have been working since June. They already passed the law, but they couldn't make it work so that to have all the guidelines put together for people to apply for assistance. As you can see, when you go to the New Jersey, you can go to the DCA website, New Jersey DCA, or you go to newjersey.gov.dca and apply there on their website. Um, you apply for the Emergency Rescue Mortgage Assistance. That's what it's called, IRMA, Emergency Rescue Mortgage Assistance. And you can get up to $35,000 per household. But it's only for your primary residence. So if you are like me and you have rental properties, it's not for your rental properties. You would have to get help for rental assistance if your tenants did not pay because they couldn't. So you would have to apply for other type of assistance. But if you had problem with your primary mortgage, the mortgage on the house that you are living in, that's what this assistance is for. And you can get up to $35,000 per household, and that $35,000 up to $35,000. That doesn't mean they're going to give you $35,000, but if you owe up to $35,000, you can go after that to cover mortgage reinstatement, escrow shortages, delinquent property taxes, municipal or property tax liens, mortgage payments, including principal, interest, taxes, and homeowner insurance. So all these can be covered within the $35,000 per household that is available. And to qualify, you need to meet the eligibility to qualify for assistance. So first of all, you need to be the primary homeowner. It has to be your home, not your vacation home, your second or third home. It has to be the house where you are living. you need to own and occupy eligible property, which means 1 to 4 unit primary residence. If you get to 5 units, it's considered commercial. So only properties that have 1 to 4 units would qualify within that program. Also, you have to have experience a COVID-related financial hardship, not because you just decided not to pay the bank, but because you had a financial hardship that is related to COVID and have been unable to remain current on your mortgage payment. You must meet the income limit, and also you need to have been paying your mortgage and property taxes as of January 2020. That means if you didn't start paying before 2020, when the COVID hit, you might not qualify. Or if you have payment that is due maybe in 2019, those wouldn't be covered because this assistance is only for COVID related emergency. And the income guideline is very generous, I would say, for once. The income guideline, I was looking at it, and for a one-person family, if you fall within the 150% AMI, for one-person family, depends on what county you are in New Jersey. And of course, we are talking about New Jersey because that's the portal that is open right now. You can check for your state if you live outside of New Jersey. But in Burlington County, where I live, for one-person family, you can make up to $99,250 and still qualify. So like I said, I think the income limit is quite generous. Of course, there is also 100% AMI, the income limit that you might look into, but even still with that, it's $79,900. If you make up to $79,900, you might qualify for this type of assistance. So look into it and see if you can qualify, because a lot of people are still hurting due to COVID. It's still out there and people are still hurting. So if you can get the help, go ahead, get the help. The requirements, they are not asking for a whole lot. You need to have a government ID, minimum of 4 weeks of pay statements, 2 months of bank statements, tax returns, and sign IRS form 4506C, mortgage statement that shows that you are behind what you owe, and anything else you think might apply, like if you have any bills or invoices for proof of payment, if you started bankruptcy, whatever you might have that you think would help your case, you feel free to submit it as well. So that's all we wanted to cover tonight, is the emergency rescue mortgage assistance is open in New Jersey. The portal is open, and as with everything else, it's a first come, first serve. So go ahead, if you need the help, get on the website, apply right away, and be one of the first people to apply and get the assistance that you need. Until next time, this is your friend, your sister, Luna Gentil. Be safe.